The following segment is sponsored by GLS Autos.
Well, if you couldn't tell from the awards behind me, we certainly have a dynasty on our hands here in Joplin. That's because, once again, GLS Autos has won the award for Best Car Dealership in the four-state area. And here to accept the awards are Colton and Greg Smith. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you very much. We want to take this moment to appreciate and thank all of our customers who have voted again this year to give us the honor of receiving this award.
What is it about GLS Auto specifically that you think makes your customers come back?
We try to just be regular people. We tell all of our customers, it's got to work for both of us. If it works for them, it's not good for us. If it works only for us, it's not good for them. So it really has to work for both of us.
The last couple of years, let's face it, it's been tough finding a car. They're just not as many available as there used to be. But I know you guys do a great job of trying to keep your lot full and trying to keep a great selection out there for your customers.
Yeah, we're working hard now with income tax season. We've sold probably 40 cars in the last 3 weeks, and we're actively working and striving every day to get stuff out and get stuff bought. It does take us several weeks to get a car bought and then serviced and through service properly to our satisfaction and get it ready and cleaned up and ready for our customers. We try real hard to provide good, solid transportation, stuff that our customers can rely on. We offer in-house financing. We can also offer bank financing, but it takes a little while to hurry it up and get the process, get the cars back out. But we are actively trying.
Well, you guys do a great job, and congratulations again to the both of you and your entire operation here.
Thank you.
GLS Auto's best car dealership in the four states.
Thank you.
The preceding segment was sponsored by GLS Autos.